body under that shirt, and all she wants to